Hey guys, Tampa J here.
Thank you for joining me again. I am in Ybor City.
What brings me to Brick City, Ybor City today? Well, two reasons. One being Mauricio at Maury213 on YouTube a long time ago asked me to show and try an authentic Cuban sandwich. And for those of you that don't already know this, the Cuban sandwich was not made in Cuba. It was made right here in Tampa, in Ybor City. And the second reason, I have been challenged to a Cafe Con Leche taste-off by Jackie from the Super Enthused channel. Because last week, Jackie featured a special on her YouTube channel, that's right, we're on YouTube, about the Cafe Con Leche of Calle OCHO in Miami. And it was an absolutely awesome video, so go check that out. But I'm going to take you on an adventure to a place called CARMINE'S, a famous restaurant here in Ybor City. They are known for their Cafe Con Leche, their Cuban sandwiches, and their Tampa devil crabs. And if you've never had a devil crab, you're in for a treat, my friends. Well, enough ranting on this street.
Why did the chicken cross the road? Well, because he lives in Ybor City. Hey squirrel, trying to get you a good chick there? So I have arrived at CARMINE'S, guys, and I'm about to go inside and get some lunch. CARMINE'S is located at the corner of East 7th Avenue and North Angel Oliva Senior Street. Right guys, so I made it inside and I've already ordered my Cafe Con Leche and I'm just looking over the menu right here. So my Cafe Con Leche has arrived, and there are many good places to get Cafe Con Leche in Tampa, but this is one of the best. And I kind of wish they let me mix it myself, but at most places they let you mix the espresso and the milk yourself. But in this case, it's okay. But as you can tell, you can see the frothy top there. Oh yeah.
Cheers, Jackie. Superb.
All right, so my deviled crab, voila, and my Tampa Cuban sandwich have arrived at the same time. All right, so the best way to eat this thing is just crack it right open, or just take a bite out of it. But I just want to show you what's inside. The gooey, awesome, and deliciousness. There you have it. Oh man, I've already had a bite, and it is delicious blue crab with a little hot sauce, of course. And the Tampa Cuban is a little bit of pork, some ham, pickle, and mustard and mayonnaise mixed together, and some salami in there too, I believe, and firmly pressed in Cuban bread. No exaggeration at all, this is one of the best things I have ever eaten. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So good.
Oh, boy am I full. That was some superb and delicious food in there. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you had a great time. Much ahead, my friends. Much ahead.